We're going to look at trig graphs and see what C does. Okay, C in this case is going to be moving it to the left and to the right. So I'm just going to turn that one off there. You can see the sine curve, and I'm just going to leave it sitting there, and I'm going to do this one here. Now, when C is 0, we have exactly the same as the sine curve because it'd be sine of x, and you can see that there, same curve. Now, if we make it positive, then it should move it, well, which way should it move it? Well, it actually moves it to the left. So I'm just going to drag that to the right so you can see it moving. So it moves it to the left. So let's move it to the left by about 30 degrees, move it to the left by about 46, 60, and you can see it there. So if I move it back to, let's see if I can get it to 90. Oopsies. There we go. So if I've moved it from here and it says plus 90, then it's taken the sine curve and moved everything back by 90 degrees. So all these points have just been moved back by 90 degrees. Okay, if I keep moving it in that direction, the positive direction, it just keeps on moving it to the left. And notice it's the opposite direction. Okay, what happens if we move it the other way? Well, you can see it moves it to the right. So let's start with 0, and let's move it, make it negative. So -1, -13, -30, -50. Okay, and so it's -80. So what we've done here is taken the sine curve and move everything positive 80 that direction. So this one here has moved positive 80 in that direction. The top of the curve has moved positive 80 in that direction. And the bottom of the curve has moved positive 80 degrees in that direction. So the C causes a horizontal translation or a horizontal shift. And it's always in the opposite direction to whatever the sign is in the bracket.